Hello everybody, Quixotic Prices 2019. Today we're playing Stunt Car Racing. And Pierce is here again. So we're, I hope it connects to the server. Okay, we're playing in a server.
What the heck?
Dude, this is fun.
This reminds me of Monster Milk Truck Driver.
This is the one where you have to find coins. After it's 5 minutes, I'll let you play, okay?
This reminds me of Monster Milk Truck Driver on Google Earth.
Google Earth?
Yeah?
But...
What the heck are you doing? This looks so dumb.
Sometimes they have the coin thing, and they have team deathmatch, and they have other stuff. Yeah, they have like bowling balls as you can kill people. Look at the sky.
What the heck?
Look at the sky.
Oh, what are you doing?
Dude, look at the sky.
I can't see the sky. You're flipping too much. It's green.
Starting over already. Because someone...
I want to play something else. This is very dumb.
No.
Bike. If you get the bike, I'll play. Oh, limbo.
It costs actual money.
What?
I could get...
Worth for 3,000
Arctic
coins.
Camo, 250.
How much coins do you have?
I can buy that. Oh, man. I couldn't have bought that.
Dude, you already lost.
I know. Stop. Next, now it's infection mode.
Oh, infection. I love this game. Play this on Call of Duty Ghosts.
I know. Team deathmatch and...
No, just infection. What the heck was that noise?
No, there's that...
Annoying. Dude, it's like frozen.
Oh, I'm the infected one. I'm already infected.
You look like a jelly. A
I'm
ball
the one
of jelly. A ball of jelly.
Oh, no, you don't.
You're a ball of jelly. I'm not kidding.
What the heck?
He didn't infect anyone though. How is he infected?
These are because like 2 people start.
Are you gonna pop your jelly?
Oh, that guy just got infected.
Yeah, I really don't like this game.
Dude. Yeah, it's hard to get people. You have to follow the arrow. Oh! Wait until you try it. Dude, do you like JP and Prince?
No.
Same.
What the heck? He's a diesel.
Well, how did
Be a diesel?
he bought it in like real life. That guy's like popping it. Yes! Oh, you got infected! That guy just got infected. Oh, that diesel. It's going so fast. Coca-Cola. No, that's a can.
What?
Whoa. Oh.
You're playing Plinko now.
Plinko? That's what we played that on Star Trek.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna play it now.
No, wait. So after a minute. Rainbow, 250 credits. Nope. Unless it's green, then sure. I came up in 5th place.
It's horrible.
So I got 3rd place, and that would be kind of fine. See, I was the host. The host means the first zombie.
What the heck? Coins.
What the? How's
It's a
it?
shark. Everyone's lagging and glitching everywhere.
I don't know. It'll stop. It just has to load.
Can you do like jumps on this?
Yeah.
Go off of one of those mountains, do jump. This reminds me of Mario. Mario Kart, this map. That's what it reminds me of.
Woo!
Ah.
What do you want to know? This funnest one? It's this one.
What the heck? I'm gonna do that one. I wanna try.
Whoa! Oh! Thank you. And I. Did you see that? All because that guy just hit me. Okay, I think it's Bruce's turn after this one.
Why are you white?
I don't know.
You're like pure white.
And don't change the color.
I'm gonna fly at this
I
thing.
think it cost actual money.
I suck at this game. I don't even want to go for coins. I just want to drive.
That's what I do.
What the heck?
Go off that ramp. Will you make it? Will you make it? Will you make it? Oh, you made it. Go super speed like this.
I don't want to. What the heck? Whoa, this is awesome.
Look at the skies. It looks realistic.
Invasion. I love that game. It's a three-wheeler. I so want that. Look at it. It's awesome.
It's alright. You already got it.
And I start how? Oh, it just loads.
Three-wheeler.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
I thought you said four-wheeler.
Endurance.
Oh, this is it's a race. There's gonna be a, see the arrow? Yeah, just get ready. Look at the cola car. Go fast.
Why am I lagging?
You follow the arrow.
I'm decent at races.
Dude, you're supposed to turn the...
I did. I forgot I had brakes. Most games like this don't have brakes. I just led those guys into a...
You're supposed to go up there, so you're supposed to, like, do... I know, one episode I did this.
What? I truly suck at this game.
Yeah, everybody sucks, too. You're not even in the leaderboard, man. I call it a leaderboard. Hey, talk to yourself. That guy just hit you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go slow. And you went the right way, yeah. Sure, you go slow. Okay, now you can go fast. Now you gotta like go on there and then
See.
oh, I gotta go on that one. Everybody went the wrong way, I just saw.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Okay. I can't steer. It's so sensitive.
No, straight.
I so wanted to do that.
I'm supposed to be up there.
I know. I don't care though.
That's the finish line.
Fine, I'll go through it backward. This is so much easier in Mario Kart. Ugh.
Guys. Okay, let's end the episode.
Yeah, I truly suck at this game. Wait, nice. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, that's the end of the episode. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. That'd be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.